on, guys? So we're out here at the farm today. Really haven't fished here much this year, but we put a bunch of crappie and bluegill in here recently. So we're gonna do a Googan Snacky Swimmer only challenge, and we're gonna try to target some crappie and bluegill with it. Probably get some bass on it for sure too, but definitely want to try to get some big old slab crappie. So we're gonna see what we can do. We got about 45 minutes or so. I'm gonna fish, so see what happens. All right, here we go. Look at a little crappie.
One of the new ones.
What the heck? That's cool.
Hey man, I gotta get on.
He's a little dude.
Yeah.
Yeah. Here. Fit off the one horn. You can choose.
Yeah. Just throw it in my pocket. Little bitty crappie. First crappie of the year. Look at that big old black stripe down his head. Check it out, Dana. You got racing stripes. Well, come on, dude. There we go. Ah, that was a bass. Yeah. Dang it. Well, you know that's money anyways. You
As I say, you can catch anything.
crappie.
I want a with a little bit, with slightly larger crappie. There's the first one for me. Decent size.
Yeah.
Look at that giant black stripe down his head.
That's so cool.
That's wild looking.
There we go. There we go. Stay on.
Big money. Big money. Big money. Big money. Oh, she's fighting.
There you go, bluegill.
Oh, tubby. Oh my gosh.
Hey. Choked it too. Choked it.
What?
Hey.
He didn't even catch a
Hey,
tree
Daniel.
that's in the
Hey,
water.
Daniel.
What's wrong with you? What?
I'm making pee-pee.
He's milking it.
Wow.
Ah, son of a bug. Dude, oh man. Dude, I don't fish.
How do you manage that?
If you can bird nest a spinner, I don't ever want to see you use a bait caster. Daniel. You literally just bird nested spinner. I don't ever want to see you touch a bait caster.
You can't say it right. Don't talk.
Yeah, that's true too.
What?
It's not called a spinner.
He
Call it whatever I want to call it.
he bait catches the spinner. There we go. There you go.
No.
Little bluegill.
Look, if you want to catch that grass carp out there, then that means
I win the game. I win every game ever.
you're a winner again. You are a winner. You can just quit Backwoods Outdoors because you've already won every competition we'll ever think of. Will it be the bluegill or will it be the bass? It will
The
be
bluegill.
another freaking slab.
Another bluegill.
You're not hogging all the bluegill.
Yep. Another little bluegill.
That holy water.
What?
Bass. Is it the...
Ow!
What?
He just shot me in the back.
What you got, bro? Hey, it's a good one.
Yeah.
Better touch it so it counts, and now you have the triple crown.
I have the triple crown. I have achieved the triple crown. I've caught a crappie, bass, and a bluegill on the same day. There we go.
I may rob you.
I know his baits are like, nice.
I may rob you.
Bluegill, I think. There you go, Joshua.
We put some in there that big.
Yeah. He's peeing all over the place.
There's some that big.
There we go. Golly. Oh, that's fighting hard though. Hope it's crappie. Big old bluegill again.
Maybe it's some that big.
I'm sure that's they would have it.
All right, bud. Give her a go. Just don't forget your little spinnerbait there. Here, you got. Here, I'll go sit over by your tackle box for you.
Get used to. It took a long time for me to switch from using push buttons to one of those because I just didn't want to have to learn how to use something different.
I still use push buttons.
Yeah, I've still got a couple of them.
I literally first cast after putting one on.
Okay, I've got a fish, but I have to put it now. Because then I'll have the triple.
He's a little chunker.
I gotta get the triple.
Look at him, a little chunker.
I've got the crappie, I've got the bluegill, I gotta have the bass.
There you go.
Nice, boy.
Lift him up.
What up?
Crappie. Hey, set his drag, Daniel. Or Joshua. Help his drag. There you go. Heck yeah, a little crappie. You never caught a crappie? Heck yeah.
You want to take them off hook?
Here.
I'll make for you.
Here. Take him off a hook.
I don't really know how to.
Okay, look. You go like this. You turn it upside down like that.
Just pop it out of his skin. No. Oh, I'm struggling.
There you
Just
go.
like that.
You wanna hold him?
Yeah.
Okay.
There you go. Nicely
Heck yeah.
done.
First crappie.
Brady, the first one on the board.
Bass.
Yeah, come get a video of it.
I got it. I'm on video. I'm videoing right now. You can throw it in. Good job.
Nicely done.
Dude, I just had him. All right, Joshua. Crappie, baby. Yeah, I saw him. And I flipped it in there and caught him. Yes, sir. That's awesome. Hi. That's a slab, dude. I wasn't videoing, but Joshua just straight lined this crappie up out of the
I
water.
literally took it just like this, tossed it out there, and when I drug it back, he just took it. So it was an itty bitty little crappie. A tiny little thing. Got him that time, Dylan?
I don't know what it is, but I got him.
Bluegill. Another one to the score tracker.
Score tracker update.
I was gonna say score tracker update. Dylan has caught another bluegill.
Ah,
Come on. Come on. I need,
robbery. Oh,
I need the bass.
I'm gonna get one down this bank. You what? Hi. Another bluegill. Or whatever that is. Got a bass. Yeah, bass. Finally, Barrett just caught the one that's been sitting on that bed for so long. Dude, that is the wildest looking black crappie. Dude, it's so dark.
Holy.
Oh my gosh. There you go.
What? Ow.
Thin ya.
Man.
That's a big crappie.
Dude,
I wish I had my scale with me. I'd weigh the thing. It's probably 1.5 pounds.
Dude, this thing huge. Shake it.
I'm gonna take a picture, Barrett.
Come on, let me. Yeah, I'll just do this.
I gotta get him sideways.
Yeah, give him.
All right.
Let's
Throw him
send
back.
her on home.
Throw her back. There you go, Barrett. There you go, man.
That's a big one.
All right, guys. Well, we did pretty daggone good on the old Snacky Swimmer. I ended up hooking up with them boys from church with them as well, and we all caught one on it. So it produced well. We caught a bunch of crappie. Pretty cool pulling them off the bed like that. But we got some crappie, bluegill, and bass. So all around, pretty good day. So anyways, we appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see y'all in the next one.